How to check if a Python module exists without importing it. How can I know if a Python module exists without importing it? Importing something that might not exist, not what I want, results in
TLDR, use importlib.util.find_spec, module_name, Python 3.4 plus. Python 2, imp.find_module. To check if import can find something in Python 2, using imp. To find dotted imports, you need to do more. You can also use pgutil.find_loader, more or less the same as the Python 3 part. Python 3. Python 3 less than or equal to 3.3, importlib.find_loader. You should use importlib. I went about doing this like. My expectation being, if you can find a loader for it, then it exists. You can also be a bit more smart about it, like filtering out what loaders you will accept. For example, Python 3 greater than or equal to 3.4, importlib.util.find_spec. In Python 3.4 importlib.find_loader Python documentation was deprecated in favor of importlib.util.find_spec. The recommended method is the importlib.util.find_spec. There are others like importlib.machinery.filefinder, which is useful if you're after a specific file to load. Figuring out how to use them is beyond the scope of this. This also works with relative imports, but you must supply the starting package, so you could also do. While I'm sure there exists a reason for doing this, I'm not sure what it would be. Warning: when trying to find a submodule, it will import the parent module, for all of the above methods. Comments are welcome on getting around this. Acknowledgements. At Revine for importlib. At Lucas Guido for Python 3.3 plus deprecating find_loader. At npnax for pgutils.find_loader behavior in Python 2.7.
Python 3 is greater than or equal to 3.6, modular not found error. The modular not found error has been introduced in Python 3.6 and can be used for this purpose. The error is raised when a module or one of its parents cannot be found. So, would print a message that looks like no module named eggs if the eggs module cannot be found, but it would print something like no module named eggs.sub if only the sub module couldn't be found, but the eggs package could be found. See the documentation of the import system for more information on the modular not found error.
After using Yarbelk's response, I've made this so I don't have to import imp. It is useful in Django's settings.py file, for example.
Python 2, without relying on importer, until the current answer is updated. Here is the way for Python 2. Why another answer? A lot of answers make use of catching an importer. The problem with that is that we cannot know what throws the importer. If you import your existent module and there happens to be an importer in your module, e.g., typo on line 1, the result will be that your module does not exist. It will take you quite the amount of backtracking to figure out that your module exists and the importer is caught and makes things fail silently.
Go_as answer as a one-liner.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.